Hi. Did you know that cats could snore? I didn't, but apparently they can, because I was talking to my sister and then I just heard this. My cat was like snoring and it was so weird, but I'm gonna see if I can show you. Snoring, it's really good. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you that.